Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a joystick in Melon Playground. So like and subscribe to start the tutorial. First we need the chip. Open the chip editor. Make two inputs. The first input is entity and second is vector. Place them. And we need multiply. Make the multiply to vector. And we need to velocity. And lastly is constant. Connect them like I do, but don't skip the tutorial because sometimes I make mistakes. Done! We are on the important thing, which is the UI controller. Spawn the UI controller. Open the UI controller editor. Spawn the joystick and make it bigger. Place a knife, for example. Connect with using the rainbow rope. Set the source to joystick and set the output to direction. Wait a minute, why he doesn't work? I knew it. I need to check in. I need to replace the ropes. Set the input to velocity and connect the velocity's output to first multiply's input. And ta-da, a working joystick. And this is the end of the tutorial. Goodbye guys.